Moon made new friends. Moon moved to a new house in a new city with her parents.
I must make new friends now. I miss my friends in the old neighborhood. I have also not started going to my new school yet. I hope I will get to make some friends at the nearby playground first, so I can play with them every evening after school. Let us go to the playground, Mom and Dad. There are so many children here. They seem to be busy playing. Will I be able to join now?
Go, give it a try, Moon.
Hello, my name is Moon, and I am new here. Can I play with you all? We do not know you. We cannot have you in our group. I felt so sad when they acted like that.
What happened here?
They said they do not know me and cannot let me join the group.
Do you want to play with us instead?
No, I do not want to stay here anymore. I feel so sad. I just want to go back home.
Do you know why the other kids might not have let you join? We know that you can make friends. It is just that they were seeing you for the first time. Maybe you should tell them more about yourself? Don't you think that might make them feel more comfortable? Imagine if all of a sudden, someone new came and said hello to you and asked if they could play with you. How would you react?
I might think, how do I let a stranger play with me? I should ask my parents first.
See, that is exactly what they might have felt too. Don't you think so? Tomorrow let us go to the playground before they start playing. Then you will get more time to introduce yourself to them. Let us see if that helps. Is that a good idea?
Yes, Mama.
Now, let us take a few deep breaths together. Thank God for all the good things that happened today. Hope for a happier tomorrow, and sleep tight.
The next day, Moon headed to the playground early on with her mom and dad.
Hello, we met yesterday. My name is Moon. I never introduced myself properly yesterday. Since you all were playing already, I was in a hurry to join and make friends. I moved to this city with my parents a week back. I will be joining grade 1 at Rainbow Kiddies school next week. My mom and dad came along with me since I am new to this place. Also, I have no friends around here. It would be great if I could play with you all in the evenings. I miss my old friends very badly.
Hi, I am Sun. I also go to grade 1 at Rainbow Kiddies school. I stay across the street with my parents and pet dog. We all stay around here. Come, join us. Let us play.
When they took breaks, Moon also tried to understand their interests, likes, and dislikes. They also asked Moon about hers. They played together until late in the evening, and it was so much fun. Moon had made many new friends already. Finally, it was time to go back home.
I had so much fun. This was the best day of my life since I moved here. Thank you so much for letting me play with you all. I feel so happy today. I will join you all again tomorrow. Bye. Good night.
Goodbye.
To you.
See, you know how to make friends. Good job, little buddy.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our stories. Thank you.